Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this lace rhinestone look. So if you want to see how I did this, just stay tuned and I'll roll a clip. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do my foundation and concealer. I'm doing a little different than normal because we are doing a special look today. I'm going to take the M105. Okay, so what I'm using is I'm just using this piece of lace that I cut out. I didn't have any like stockings or anything, so this is what it looks like so far. Okay, so now that I have like the lace done and the contour, which I guess you call it contour. Look at my hands. They're so dirty and colorful. So anyway, I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. Okay, so now that I have everything on so far, I'm going to just blend my nose a little bit. And so now we are going to do our eyeshadow. So for our eyeshadow, we're just gonna do one color, and I'm going to do pink. So I would do purple, but I already have a lot of purple on, so we're just gonna go with pink, and we're gonna get that started. So all I did was I put pink on, and then I put like a pop of like silver right in the corner. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little buffing brush, and this is called a precision smudge. And so I'm going to take that, and I'm going to take like a blue and go underneath my eyes with, just to really make it pop. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Party Pink Liquid Lipstick. So I'm going to do mascara and lashes last. I'm going to take some rhinestones. I have these like little hexagon ones. Or no, they're like circles. They're like circles with hexagon shapes inside of them. Okay, so I have jewels everywhere. And so last thing is just my eyelashes. So make sure when you're putting on eyelashes, make sure you put on your mascara first, because it makes it a lot easier for the lashes to stick. Okay, one lash on, one more to go, and we're done. Okay, so this is the final look. So you have like the little rhinestones and the lace look, and I even have it on my neck and on my forehead. I have it everywhere. So this was just something fun, and I was inspired by Helene Hermera. Sorry if I said that wrong, but she did sort of a look like this. Hers was a little bit different, but that's what I was inspired by, so I went ahead and did that. And so the next video I will be uploading will be a hacks video. So I'll be testing makeup hacks and see how well they do. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to be notified whenever I post every other day, then hit the bell button and it will notify you. And don't forget that we are doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, and we're aren't that far away really. I mean, we're not to 100 yet, but I'm sure it'll start going fast. And I just put in the order for the makeup, so yeah, make sure to subscribe. And at 200, we're doing a Jaclyn Hill giveaway. I'm giving away the new Volt collection. So make sure to tag your friends if you think that would be interested. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching.